there are tiny pieces of jewelry that are attached to the parts. They are not just for the decoration, since they are kind of used here instead of one of the voxels that's supposed to stick out on top, and they prevent you from putting the parts inside of the frame in a random way. Like if you try to stick this piece like that, it won't go, since this tiny jewelry piece will block it. So you have to rotate it in order to fit inside. This absolutely stunning puzzle is called Diasafe. It was designed by Lucy Pavels and made by Pelican in Czech Republic. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all the parts inside of the frame. If you like the Diasafe puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. It is quite tricky, requires some rotations. You will start with this piece. You put it inside like that. It goes down like that. And here you have to rotate it to the right like that. Move it all the way to the left. Don't rotate anymore. Put it down and to the right. This is the first piece. Then you grab this large piece that is like a square, put it inside here. It doesn't matter how you rotate it, since it is still square. Put it here, down here. Probably this one will be next. It goes like that. Again, you have to rotate it like that and put all the way to the left. We have another piece. The colors might be different in your version of the puzzle, so don't pay attention to that. Then you rotate it and put it down here. I think that this piece is supposed to go here. So we drop it in, don't rotate, move it to the right, right in here. Then the green piece goes here and to the right like that. We have a couple of parts left. So this piece, L-shaped piece, small, goes here. This dark piece goes right in here. And then we have one piece left, a large one. It goes down here and the puzzle is solved. So great puzzle. If you like the Diasafe puzzle, you want to try some other amazing puzzles designed by Lucy Pavels or made by Pelican, go to puzzlemaster.ca.